Hello everybody! We are so excited for a story time with Princess Elsa on Saturday, September 5th.
Wait, Princess Elsa is going to read us a story?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, Princess Elsa's my favorite.
She's my favorite too. I'm so excited! Are you excited? Yay! We thought it would be so much fun to make princess crowns together to get ready for story time. I didn't have mine on. There we go. Now
I'm
like ready for story time.
Mm-hmm.
I do, don't I? I look like a princess. Hello, royalty. I'm ready for royal story. So we have prepared special craft kits for all of our story times, and you can pick them up at any one of our library locations. Inside the craft kit, you'll find a template for this crown and some pretty jewels to put on the crown. So when you're ready, you can make a crown with us. So let's make a crown together.
Princess Ashley, if I want to have my crown ready for when Princess Elsa comes to read us a story, do I come to the library and pick it up? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, you come to the library and you pick up your craft kit so you can make your crown with us.
And all the pieces will be in there?
And all of the pieces will be in there.
Awesome.
All of the pieces for all of our story times will be in there. Pretty neat, huh?
That is awesome. All right, let's get started.
Let's do it. Are you ready to make our princess and prince crowns so that we are ready for our royal story time? Let's get started. So everybody who picked up a craft kit at their local library got a little template for their crowns. And we've already cut out our pieces to get ready. And what we'll do is we're going to color our crowns pretty colors, and you can use crayons or markers or colored pencils. And then inside those kits, we've also given you stickers and pretty jewel stickers as well. And these are all stickers, so you don't need glue, but you will need a stapler or some tape so that you can put your crown together. So let's get started. We're going to color our crowns.
What color are you making yours?
I'm going to go with yellow for a beautiful gold crown.
Oh, I like that. I kind of want a silver crown, but there's a white crayon.
You could probably do
Maybe
like
I'll
a
do
white
like,
and blue.
Yeah, I'll do a light blue.
Like a nice. There we go. I wonder what stories Princess Elsa is going to read us. I hope that Olaf is in one of those stories. He's my favorite character.
Olaf is the funniest.
And Sven. There we go.
Okay, so this piece is the front, right? And then
that's right.
Are you going to color the two other strips?
You can color those strips if you want to. They're going to wrap around the back of your head, so you don't need to color them, but I think it's nice to color them. So your whole crown has beautiful colors. You can color your crowns any color you want. There we go. And I'm going to color the strips that are going to wrap around my head too.
I did blue on the front, but I think I'm going to do rainbow for the band.
Ooh, that's so creative, Princess Hannah.
I like a lot of colors.
Me too. My favorite color is purple. What is your favorite color, boys and girls? Oh, there we go. And I think my crown is just about ready to start putting my royal jewels on it. There we go. And we have so many of them. So in our craft kit, we have these lovely royal jewel stickers, and we have different sizes and shapes. Some of them are squares, some are hearts and circles, and some of them are ovals. And you can see they're different sizes. We have our small, our tiny, tiny small, our medium, and our large. So there are plenty of royal jewels to make your crown sparkly.
Did
you ready?
staple first or decorate first?
I think we should decorate first.
Okay.
It's better to decorate first and keep your crowns flat so that the stickers will stick on them. So I'm going to go ahead and put my royal jewels on my crown. Boop. And you can do any design you want. Be as creative as you want in making these beautiful crowns. There we go. Ooh, and everybody got different jewels, so everybody's crown is going to look different. Everybody's crown is going to look unique. There we go. So my crown is ready to be put on my head so I can see how it's going to fit on my head. And what you're going to do is you're going to have an adult staple the sides of your crown to the front like this. And if you don't want the staples to show on your crown, you can staple it upside down like that. See? There's just that little bit right there and you can barely see it. And make sure that the side you colored is the side that's facing out. So your crown is the same color all the way around. I like your rainbow crown, that's so pretty.
Thank you. So, do we need to help each other measure the size?
I think so, that would help.
I am almost done.
It looks so pretty. Do you see Princess Hannah's rainbow crown? Oh, it's so nice. I have too many emeralds. Take some of mine.
Oh, thank you for sharing.
There we go. Oh, it doesn't want to stick anymore.
Maybe not meant to be taken on and off. That's okay.
No, one-time use.
Okay, so now I need to staple.
So when you staple your crown, it's going to look like this. And when you're ready to put it on your head, you're going to get some help. Have an adult help you so that we can measure it around your head like this. There we go.
Oh, you were able to do it all by yourself. Good job.
I practiced.
I can tell.
But we can show you how it's done so that you'll know how to do it at home.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to help Miss Hannah. I'm going to, and where it overlaps in the back, so this is about the right size right here. So where it overlaps in the back, we're just going to
Put this one underneath.
Oh, I see. We gotta have those beautiful jewels showing. We're going to staple it right where it overlaps. And you wanna make sure that you get the little piece underneath so it doesn't flop out later. And there we go. Oops, I made it a little too big.
That's okay.
There's your,
How do I look?
There's your princess crown. You look very
Go in for a
royal and
close-up.
sparkly.
Ooh,
There it is.
that looks
So pretty.
fancy. Where would you like it, sitting on top or around your forehead?
Sitting on top is good for me.
Does that feel good?
Yep, that feels perfect. There we go. And we are ready for our royal story time with Princess Elsa. Yay, I'm so excited. Have fun with your crowns. We'd love to see your pictures if you want to post them in the comments underneath this video. Bye-bye.
Bye.